What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be fucking around a lot. Not really. So I'm here with David.
What's up, bitches?
We're gonna be working on his EK. He's got his new seats there because his current ones do not fucking open. Honestly, they're not open. So we have a special video of how to break some reseats and put the same ones back on again. So yeah, we got Stanley over there fixing his wheels because he got a rash it a few days ago. I'll put that clip in right now. What are you doing today, mate?
Fixing my gutter rash wheels, number one, and then hopefully spray this gloss black if it ends up working.
Cool. We just have to use my shed again as a heat room again.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, you can spray that there.
The grass?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, you don't care.
Do I need to? I need to hang it up, right? Because I need to spray this too.
How's that?
Clothesline.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, put on here. Will that work?
If you can reach, or you like get like two.
You know what?
hooks.
Can I use one of? Can I use two of your wheels?
Oh yeah, you can do that. Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
So, how you guys doing? You guys doing good? Happy Chinese New Year, guys. Hope you guys have a great New Year. So yeah, we're just kicking back, chilling, working on our cars as usual. But
Check out his channel.
Oh yeah, so I'm transitioning into photography. So if you guys want to do a photo shoot, hit me up at senditmedia_ on Instagram. And yeah, let's do it. Let's have some photos. Let's do it.
I'll put the links down in the description below. This guy's dealing with some ants.
They fucking bite you.
Oh yeah.
What the fuck?
Where'd you get that from?
Huh?
Where'd you get that cloth from?
Just
Yeah.
over there.
Oh, it was on the floor next to the ants.
Yeah, but I use this to wipe it off. And how much coats of this?
Two.
Thin coats?
First one is thin. Second and third you can go heavy.
Oi! Oh, whoa, PG.
Hasn't jerked off since last year.
Oh yeah.
Haven't jerked off since I watched the video. No, I'm joking. What the fuck? It's stuck.
Yeah, it's full covered.
I wonder if like shops paint on the grass too.
It's full covered, bro. That hole's full covered. Get another one. Get another piece.
Bro, that's even... It's blocked off. Look.
Okay, get a pin.
Get another pin.
Something sharp.
Still works though. Should I just keep going?
Yeah. This is a light coat anyway. There you go.
I can feel it and I know it's not the same. I'm the one, you're the drug.
The fuck you looking at, bro?
Yoink. Still need more here.
Yeah, but it's only first layer.
Yeah, the bottom's nothing there.
Now then flip it over. Oh yeah, milk tray. That's pretty fun.
There you go, right?
Maybe take it out. Take it out and just sort of place it. Oh, it's like a reader.
Some guy fucking... the video, bro. Fuck, bro.
Who drove into it?
I was turning right,
Yeah.
and then the front guy took all three lanes. He was driving right, I was turning right,
Yeah.
and then he was like on the right side lane. He moved to the middle side, and then he moved again to the left side. But when I turned right,
Yeah.
I was already on the left lane. Cause I turned hard, I turned like really wide. But this cunt, bro, he's like this. He's like this.
Swerve, right?
I'm like,
Yeah,
I'm like, what the fuck?
Anywhere?
Huh?
You couldn't go anywhere?
Nah, I couldn't. It was just a curve on the side. It's either I hit him or I hit the curb. One more curve?
Yeah. Alright. The professional in the house. Check out technique. Check out that technique.
I painted a lot. Bro, on the way come here, this RS3, bro, full on a what do you got from a dig? Red light. Full went hard. It was so loud on my, and it was this bogan with full glasses, like had like sunglasses on. It was like full serious.
Bro, you wanna go, bro? Do you wanna go?
I'm like, fuck, bro, chill out. He's on the opposite side, and there's a red light. There's a red light camera and speed camera.
Yeah.
But he just fucking went full hard.
No fucks given.
Yeah. I'm like, what? I'm like, what? I'm like, what?
What colour was the RSA?
It was
Was it a hatch
great.
or
It
was it a
great.
sedan?
No, it was a sedan. Yeah. They look fucking nice though.
Dude, that's an even layer. Before and after. We'll show you before and after.
You see it on camera.
Bro, you can see it, bro. Like, there's like splodges everywhere, man.
Did you spray that?
Yeah.
Spray that.
This is Josh's work right here. Nice and even. Alright, off the super cheap. Let's go.
Damn, you can't rob like a motherfucker, bro.
Ah, who's sitting back here, bro? Fuck. Am I the only one?
They both see the traps.
Currently at
Bottom
Candy
down.
Heights once again,
Oh, look at that paint job.
Fresh.
Fresh, bro.
and we're just gonna go to the Candy Bistro and find something to eat quickly, and then head to Super Cheap Auto. And I know they're gonna currently have a sale right now, so we're just gonna see what they have.
History. Let it come and let it be. Let it come and let it be. Let it come and let it be.
This is cold. This is cold. Oh yes.
Going premium. What, 40 bucks for that?
Yes.
Dude, that's freaking cheap.
So we're looking for this one. Z547. Is that it?
Yep.
That was quick. Is that it? Thanks guys.
Oh, good man. Take it easy.
Thank you.
Okay. Big difference.
That means I got like the fruits of a tree.
Fuck, Shabby.
Put it in good anyway.
Display.
I don't know. Fucking full send cunt. Bro, you're only going like 60.
Alright, bro, so what you doing?
I am measuring out my front bar because we're gonna head to Bunnings and I'm gonna buy the same splitter material we did on the Golf, and we're gonna make a front splitter for the car.
Sweet. Alright. This car's gonna look aggressive. All it's missing in this front bar is the Mugen lip. But I reckon this will... yeah, the Mugan lip.
So we need it to be at least like 19 mil.
19 mil.
190. Then could be like realistically at least 50 mil.
Stan, you gonna stay here or you wanna go to Bunnings with us?
This is their paint. It's not
Okay, cool. Well, off to Bunnings we go.
Go.
So we're in a different car, as you guys know. It's a 4-drive. We're picking up the material at Bunnings. So let's go. Oh fuck. Oh, nope, I'm gonna put that in.
More material. It's a lot cheaper than the big one. But the big one itself isn't even that expensive.
It's like $100 bucks.
110 bucks.
Yeah, 100
So the
100.
small one should be like at least
50
80,
50
to 80 bucks.
Yeah, not too bad. But yeah, this Lexus rips.
I can definitely take this to the twisties for sure though. Definitely.
Let's get the goods. Make your car aggressive. Oh.
Fucking hell.
Sorry, bro. How's it going? 190. Fuck, it's too big. Alright, off to the next Bunnings. Hope to have it. Alright.
Yeah, what's my friend?
Let's go. How's it going?
I don't know.
Ah, cool. Oh, I should have followed you, damn it. Ah!
I missed these.
I missed these. Oh, bro. Alright.
And you've got a camera there.
We've got a camera here.
Oh,
We're just documenting our
build.
builds.
oh okay.
Yeah.
Thank
Have a
you.
good day.
See
Thank you.
guys.
Have a great day.
Guys, we are back at HQ. We just did a run, 2 bindings, got the splitter and some bolts. The EP3 is now jacked up. I'm going to start taking the front bar off and then I'm going to put it on the table and then start marking out the measurements for the splitter. And then I'm going to start the car and then start doing the oil change as well. So I've just taken the front bar off. Very simple. So you would have one Phillips head screw here and on the other side. At the bottom you just have these tabs and then same for the top as well. That's pretty much how you take off the front bar on the EP3. Very simple. A lot easier than my Golf. So now I'm going to... Oh yeah. Every time you can hear them. If you guys watch all the old videos, you can like pretty much keep a tab on it. I'm gonna start the car, let it run for a bit, drain the oil, and put the new filter on, and then I'll start working on the splitter.
It's all about the minor detail.
Oil is draining pretty dirty. Alright guys, so the piece is pretty big, so I'm going to cut it in half and then put it underneath the front bumper and then mark out the exact shape I want to do. I've pretty much marked out the size of the splitter and how big I want it. Next thing you want to do is, we've got these bolts and you're going to have to find a drill bit that's the same size or a bit bigger than the bolt, so you can kind of pre-drill the hole on the material, and that's pretty much where you're going to bolt the splitter to the front bumper. So once you've marked out all of your holes to drill the piece onto your bumper, I'm going to take off the bolts, and then you want to cut the inside piece off so there isn't too much weight on the bumper and splitter, and the splitter will be like pretty light. And I will pre-drill the rest of the holes in here and we should be pretty much done. So yeah, I'm gonna finish everything off and show you guys the end result. But before that, I'll have to sand everything, make sure both sides are even and it's not too sharp. The oil change is all done. I just have to put oil in and we're all good to go. I've put the front splitter on the car, the bumper is nearly bolted down, and I'm gonna put oil in the car. So I'll show you guys when I've pretty much finished everything and the car is on the ground. The car is all done, poured all the oil in.
Josh finished his front splitter. I finished my rear seat replacement, but I didn't record it. You have to pull it out to get the seat.
I told him that was...
Yeah, the boys told me, but I didn't listen.
possible to
I was
take it
pissed
out.
off, but I was able to do it thanks to the guy that sold me the seats. Bro, shout out to you. But yeah, so right now we're pretty much closing up this workshop and going out for a shoot, clean up the cars. Alright, cool. Catch you guys later. Peace.
So it's the day after making the front splitter. It was a bit too dark that night, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like now. So it definitely makes the car look a lot more aggressive. So in the next video, stay tuned. I will be installing a hard race product. So see you guys then.